Today's story, The Old Goose. In a quiet meadow by a silver pond, there lived an old goose. Her feathers were soft and white like clouds, and her eyes were kind and wise. Every morning, she waddled to the water's edge, dipping her beak to greet the day. The younger geese loved her stories. She told them about the days when she could fly high above the hills, racing the wind and touching the clouds. Now her wings were slower, her steps gentler, but her heart was still full of warmth. One sunny afternoon, the old goose noticed a group of young geese arguing. They were fighting over who could fly the fastest. Their voices echoed across the pond. "Children," she said softly, "speed is not everything. The sky is wide enough for all wings." But the young ones laughed. "You're too old to understand," said one. "You can't even fly anymore." The old goose smiled sadly. "Perhaps," she said, "but I still remember what the wind taught me." The next morning, the young geese decided to race. They flapped their wings and soared into the sky, leaving the old goose behind. But as they flew higher, dark clouds gathered, a storm rolled in, and the wind howled fiercely. The young geese panicked. The rain stung their eyes, and the thunder frightened them. They tried to find their way home, but the storm was too strong. Down below, the old goose saw their struggle. She called out, "Follow my voice. Stay low and steady." Her voice was calm and sure, guiding them through the storm. One by one, the young geese descended, following her call, until they reached the safety of the pond. When the storm passed, the young geese gathered around her, shivering but safe. "You saved us," they said softly. "We were foolish to laugh at you." The old goose smiled. "The sky belongs to everyone," she said, "but wisdom belongs to those who listen." That night, the meadow was peaceful again. The moon shone on the pond, and the old goose tucked her head beneath her wing. The young geese nestled close, whispering promises to always remember her words. And as you drift to sleep, my little one, remember what the old goose taught. You don't need to be the fastest or the strongest. You just need to be kind, wise, and gentle, because in the end, it's not how high you fly, it's how softly you land.